Hello and welcome. My name is Amulya and you are watching Ease Coding. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable misleading ads in Google Chrome browser. So what this feature does is basically when you visit web pages on the internet, Google Chrome will stop showing you the misleading ads using its algorithm and machine learning. So let's get started. So go ahead and launch your Google Chrome browser. Go to these three dots on the right top and then click on it and then go to settings. Under settings, go to privacy and security on the left and then you click on site setting. This is privacy and security, site settings. Scroll down and then click on this additional and then hit on this ads. This is the ads section under content. Now you will see there is a feature which says blocked on sites that show intrusive or misleading ads. Okay, so this is basically already on. Okay, you don't want to allow that. Okay, so make sure it's turned off, and this feature will start detecting misleading and intrusive ads on the web pages on the internet and block them. So this is really good feature. You definitely want to make sure this is enabled. Alrighty, so this is a good security feature of Google Chrome browser. That's all for this video, guys. If you have any questions, suggestions, leave in the comment. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Thank you. Bye for now.